Okay, Pher, with your jump shot, it's going to be a process. Let's just focus on one or two variables at a time. I threw a lot of things at you, and we'll condense it down. So watching your shots in the game, your balance is really nice. Your flow is really nice. There's really no hitch in the shot. What's happening is your ball is missing left or right or short or long. So if we can just clean up your release, what happens when the ball leaves your hand, we will be able to increase your percentages. So you can see here, missing a little to the left. We can see here, missing a little bit to the right. So we want the shooting finger to move through the middle of the ball relative to the middle of the rim. If we can get that consistent, we will consistently improve your percentages. So here with the basketball, if this is your shooting finger and this leaves through the middle of the ball, that ball is going to go straight. If it indents to the left of the ball, it's going to hook to the right. If it indents to the right of the ball, it's going to hook to the left. If you release it a little too low, it's going to fall short. If you release it too high, it's going to be a little flat. So we want the ball to be balanced in the upper middle palm, and so that it gets released to the shooting finger. Your shooting finger can be your middle finger or your pointer finger or both at the same time. All three are totally fine. We can play around with those three, but I'm pretty sure the middle finger release works best for you. So as we can see in the shot, all shooters have one finger that leaves the ball last. So here, it's the middle finger. We can see that going through the middle of the ball. That shot is going to go straight. It's going to start with your shot prep. Here, when you grip the ball early, let's get a good grip. You have a tendency to hold it or catch it with your fingers smashed together. Get a nice, relaxed, wide grip so that when we get up to here, our grip's going to be consistent. When we get it up to right before we release it, if we can have it leave the pinky and the thumb at the same time, it's going to help funnel the ball to your shooting finger. If it leaves the pinky early, now this middle finger is going to be hooking to the right of the ball. If it leaves the thumb early, now this middle finger is going to be hooking to the left of the ball. If it leaves the pinky and thumb at the same time, that shooting finger is going to get through the middle. So based on your shots that we just saw, okay, that's a nice looking shot. That's totally fine. But something at the release point right there is hooking to the left of the ball, and it's forcing the ball to travel to the right. That had the perfect depth. If we can just get it released over the middle, that thing's going in, and that's what we'll focus on moving forward.